Hi everyone, it's new video tutorial for today, and this is actually how my face look day by day. I'm wearing this makeup from 10 AM near like that, so you can see that I'm more closer to a very natural look instead of a little bit more brighter makeup, which I want to show you on YouTube channel. So remember this one, because in a few minutes I will do some greenish smoky eyes look, and I hope you will like it and you will be inspired because of this makeup. Makeup for today I will build on gel eyeliners from Inglot, and one will be greenish in number 86. We will build like a base on this color, and another one for underbrow zone we will use like a beige color in number 68. So like always, I will put all products in link down, not in link, in info box down, so you can open and check everything what you need and check what I used. So let's start. I will do my one side and the back to show you another one. So it is our plan for today, our very neutral makeup. I'm joking. So here our plan for today, it's like a green smoky eyes, and I just want to show you a few colors which I will use in eyeshadows, because I will not have chance to show you like in close-up. So let's finish with this one. This palette is built from different brands, and I actually do not remember which color is exactly from which brand, but anyway, I will use this like a dark green color, this yellowish and greenish colors, and also I will use a little bit of this light bluish. So you just have to find some close color to this one. This one is probably someone from Makeup Forever, someone from Makeup for Life. We have this brand in Ukraine, maybe you will find it out. So let's start. First of all, when I'm doing demonstration for YouTube, I do not want to do demonstration like with very difficult makeups, because there is no chance you will repeat it, because there are some technical positions and technical rules which you need to know to work clean with those makeups. But anyway, I want to show you the fastest and the easiest way to create some more complicated makeup. Of course, it's not for every day, of course it's not for very natural type of clients, it's more for makeup artists or for people who just want to play with that. So first of all, I will apply my gel under my brow and build a smoky form with a greenish color. The next color is pigment from Inglot in number 45. It's like a turquoise light greenish color. I will fix all my underbrow zone. With some light green color, I fix my outer corner. It's a flat fluffy brush. And with a smaller brush and light blue color, it's a pearly one, so it will not be too intensive. I just fix my inner corner above my crease. And finally, dark green color I pack on my lid. It's more like dark turquoise color actually. And next up was wet brush, and same this transparent greenish pigment I applied in under corner. pretty white because I want it to be visible on photos. Again, it's not like a wearable makeup, I think it's more like an Instagram makeup. And also the same wet brush applied in inner corner. Again, pretty white. Blend edges. And finally, in inner corner, I will apply this dark blue 17 pencil. It's number 36, and I add it to my waterline. Look, I add a little bit of highlighter. So I add a little bit of highlighter and refresh my contouring, add more, because in another case we will have on the eyes and flat face. And on my lips today is Lime Crime Cashmere, and I like how this color look on camera on photos, but I frankly do not like how this color look on me, because no, it's beautiful, but I like more natural makeup. Okay, so we are done with this look. Again, it's not everyday makeup, it's more makeup to play for and to give you some inspiration and to give you some ideas, because for today we have a lot of bluish color online on Instagram. You can see that it become very popular, so if you want to create maybe some more Instagram bluish color, you can always change colors, colors of gels to create like a base for it, and you can see how intense, clean this makeup is. Again, on myself it's pretty hard to do, because on models for me it's much more easier, believe me, and I think that it will be enough for you. And of course, all people who call my style of makeup is too much, no, it's not too much. I just like to play with that. I just like to show you some different variations and more simple techniques, let's call it like that. If you just joined, you have to know that I have very sensitive eyes, and because of that I do not like to do this waterline on my under lash line, because after my eyes will be destroyed. So you can do whatever you want. Also about lashes and mascara, my own opinion that it is too much of fake lashes for nowadays, and I really tired from them. That's why I like more maybe clumsy mascara lashes, but they will give me, of course, not so much dimension, but it will look more natural, as we can say like that, if it has sense. So, on my eyes, on myself, I will not do this because I just care about my eyes and my skin, so you can add if you want, if it's not enough for you. Highlighter which I used for today, it was Patricia Ledo, this sort of highlighter. We have it in Ukraine, I don't know, is it available in other countries, and with a mix of Makeup Revolution hard highlighter. All products will be down. So thank you for watching. Hope you will like this makeup and you will accept it like just something new in your life, and just do not judge everything. If you are more neutral colors girl, just go in another videos. If you are more makeup artist and you are want to play with colors, I think that it will be very interesting. More inspiration you can find on my Instagram page, just click down. Thank you for watching, thank you for comments, thank you for subscribing, ring the bell, and see you in the next video. Ciao.